I know the people at home are probably wondering, well, how can I fix this? And what does the Wellness Institute do to help me get through these problems? And we mentioned before field control therapy, which we'll call FCT.
Yeah.
And a part of this process is largely about removing the toxins from our system.
Exactly. This is what FCT does. We all live in a toxic soup, all of us, because we're all exposed to heavy metal toxins, chemical toxins, pesticides, herbicides, viruses, bacteria. We're all in parasites. We all live in that soup, and that soup starts to load our body up with toxins, and this really starts to mess up the frequencies in different parts of the body. So we have to rid the body of these toxins, and we do this through FCT. And it's an amazing procedure that really changes people's health really fast, and we're really happy to be able to use this in our office. We're the only one in Tennessee actually using this, and we need 100 more doctors right now doing it, but we don't have it, and I probably won't see it in my lifetime, but we need that. This is a aggressive, great way to go as far as the chronic conditions are
Well,
concerned.
I know more and more now Americans are becoming more aware of their health and how they can, preventative health especially. And, you know, the old fix has always been prescription medication, but people are eating a lot better, they're watching what they eat, they're more aware of antibiotics and pesticides in their diets and things like that. But there is also a way that they can shift from the prescription medication to programs like this. And I know that you gave me some incredible statistics about prescription medication.
Yeah. Well, prescription medication, this is the only approach taken by the majority of allopathic medicines. And that is just basically what it does, it covers up the problem. It doesn't find the root problem, what really caused this to happen. And this is why we use FCT to find out what is the underlying cause of your health problem. Is it a parasite? Is it a virus? Is it herbicides, pesticides, heavy metal toxins? And we have to go deep to find that, because if we continue just covering up the problem with medication, the problem doesn't get fixed. It's like, you know, your engine oil light comes on in your car, and you put a piece of tape over it, you don't see it, so you think everything's okay. Well, the engine oil light, you know, that's the disease, and the tape is the drug.
Yeah.
So we have to take the tape off. We've got to find what's wrong with the engine, the underlying cause. We have to go deep in the body, and this is what we do with FCT.